This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Garmin Vivofit Jr. 3. First, you will need a compatible smartphone or tablet and the Garmin Jr. app installed from your App Store. Make sure your Vivofit Jr. 3 device is completely charged before you start, which usually takes about 1 hour for a full battery from empty. This ensures a seamless and uninterrupted connection process, preventing any unexpected power loss during setup. Once the app is downloaded, open it and either log into your existing Garmin account or create a new one. Next, you will add your child's profile, including their name, birth date, and a fun avatar, which is essential for tracking their activities. Take a moment to review and accept all required permissions to ensure the app has full functionality and can properly communicate with the device. With your child's profile created, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone or tablet. In the Garmin Jr. app, navigate to the Devices section and select Add New Device, then choose Vivofit Jr. 3 from the list. The app will then search for your device. Once found, a unique 6-digit pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm these match to finalize the secure connection. After successful pairing, encourage daily syncing by keeping your phone near the Vivofit Jr. 3 with the app open. This action updates their step counts, sleep data, and completed chores, keeping everything current and accurate. If you encounter any connection issues, simply restart both your phone and the Vivofit Jr. 3, then reopen the Garmin Jr. app to re-establish the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.